Master web development with Skill Bakery. Hey everyone, ready to level up your web dev skills? Introducing skillbakery.com premium courses starting at just $6 or 500 rupees. Sign up today and learn in-demand skill sets. Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Hello and welcome to another exciting video. Now, we have created the main function, our user-defined function, and we have also invoked that particular function in our main function. But today we'll be exploring another fascinating fact about Rust. So here, if you see, we have this greet method called, and I can call it n number of times if I want to, like this. Let's see what happens when I execute this code. So when I'm executing cargo run, we are getting some errors. Now, so what is this error? Let's go through that first. So if I scroll up, you'll notice that it is saying there's an error, and it says that use of moved value name. So move occurs because name has type string, which does not implement the copy trait. So here the concept that we are trying to explore is called ownership and borrowing. What it means is we have this variable name which has this value. So this particular variable owns this value John. And when we are calling this method greet, it's kind of transferring that ownership to the method greet. So in other words, it's like I have transferred the ownership of this variable name to the method greet. So now name cannot be called next time on line number 6. So instead of this, what we should have done is we should have made something called borrowing. So borrowing is a concept where it's passing the reference to the method. So that way, the ownership will remain with the main method itself and not with the greet method. So to do that, we have to make use of the ampersand symbol over here as well as over here. When we do that, it's kind of telling that the value that you are getting is as a reference. So the ownership remains with the method from which it has been passed. And here also, we will have to specify that particular thing. So here as well as here, and the same goes for the next line as well. Now let's save this and do cargo run one more time. This time around, you will notice that we are getting the value printed twice, hello John Doe. So that way you can see the ownership concept is pretty much hard-binded with Rust. And you have to ensure, like in general programming, these things does not come straightforward. So you will have to keep in mind if this is something which you want. So instead of passing the value, you need to pass the reference. And for that, the syntax of the function as well as the parameter changes. That's what we have demonstrated in this video.